In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up two-factor authentication on Slack. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, adds an extra layer of security to your Slack account by requiring not just your password, but also a code from your phone. This helps protect your workspace, even if someone learns your password. Let's walk through the process clearly and simply so you can turn it on with confidence. First, sign into your Slack account on a web browser. While you can start from the app, the setup is most straightforward on the web. Once you're in, head to your account settings. You'll typically find this by opening your profile menu and selecting the option that takes you to your account or profile settings page. On the settings page, look for the section labeled Two-Factor Authentication. It may be listed under Security or a similar tab. When you see it, click Set up Two-Factor Authentication. Slack will ask you to confirm your identity by entering your account password. This keeps the process secure and ensures only you can turn it on. Next, choose how you want to receive your second factor, either through an authentication app or by SMS text message. An authentication app is generally the more secure choice and works even when you don't have mobile service. If you pick the app, you'll be shown a QR code on the screen. Open your preferred authenticator app, add a new account, and scan the QR code. The app will start generating time-based codes. Enter the current 6-digit code from the app back into Slack to confirm. If you choose SMS, you'll enter your mobile number and Slack will text you a code. Type that code into the prompt to verify your device. SMS is convenient, but keep in mind it relies on your phone number and cell service. So pick the option that fits your needs best. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup. You may be shown backup or recovery options. If you see them, save those details somewhere safe so you can get back in if you lose your phone. From now on, when you sign into Slack, you'll enter your password and then a code from your chosen method. A couple of tips as you finish up. Make sure your phone is nearby, your Authenticator app is up to date, and your device time is set automatically so codes stay in sync. If a code doesn't work the first time, wait for the next one and try again. That's it. Your Slack account is now protected with two-factor authentication.